You're watching ABC Kids Learning TV. He felt happy when he received the good news. He felt happy when he received the good news. He felt happy when he received the good news. He felt sad because he lost his favorite toy. He felt sad because he lost his favorite toy. She was angry after hearing the unfair decision. She was angry after hearing the unfair decision. They were excited to meet their favorite celebrity. They were excited to meet their favorite celebrity. The child felt fearful during the thunderstorm. The child felt fearful during the thunderstorm. I felt nervous before my first presentation. I felt nervous before my first presentation. He was surprised by the unexpected party. He was surprised by the unexpected party. She was confused by the complicated instructions. She was confused by the complicated instructions. He felt guilty for breaking the vase. He felt guilty for breaking the vase. She felt proud of her team's hard work and success. She felt proud of her team's hard work and success. He was embarrassed when he tripped in front of the class. He was embarrassed when he tripped in front of the class. She felt lonely in the new city without her friends. She felt lonely in the new city without her friends. The kids were bored after watching the same movie twice. The kids were bored after watching the same movie twice. She felt relieved when the exam was finally over. She felt relieved when the exam was finally over. He was hopeful about getting the job. He was hopeful about getting the job. She was jealous of her friend's new car. She was jealous of her friend's new car. I'm grateful for the support from my family. I'm grateful for the support from my family. He was disappointed that the concert was canceled. He was disappointed that the concert was canceled. She felt content after completing the project. She felt content after completing the project. He was frustrated with the slow internet connection. He was frustrated with the slow internet connection. She was shocked when she heard the news of the accident. She was shocked when she heard the news of the accident. He felt anxious before the job interview. He felt anxious before the job interview. She remained calm during the storm. She remained calm during the storm. I felt envious of her new job opportunity. I felt envious of her new job opportunity. The child was curious about the strange animal. The child was curious about the strange animal. He was ashamed for not helping his friend. He was ashamed for not helping his friend. She was reluctant to accept the invitation. She was reluctant to accept the invitation. He is optimistic that the project will be successful. He is optimistic that the project will be successful. He felt sympathetic towards his friend's loss. He felt sympathetic towards his friend's loss. He was indifferent to the outcome of the debate. He was indifferent to the outcome of the debate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.